Open the door, please. My hands are full.
Okay, I've got it. Hurry inside. Careful, don't drop anything.
I'm trying. This bag is heavier than I thought.
Laundry always feels light at home and heavy outside.
That is so true. My arms are already tired.
Watch your step. The floor might be slippery.
Thanks for the warning.
Okay, you're inside. I'll close the door.
Oh, I can finally breathe.
You look exhausted already.
I didn't know clothes could weigh this much.
That's because it's everyone's clothes, not just yours.
Fair point. Where should I put the bags?
Put them down on the big table near the window.
This table?
Yes, that one. It's clean.
All right. Slowly and down.
Careful with your back.
Too late. I think I pulled something.
You'll survive.
Thanks for the support.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's really busy in here today.
Yeah, every machine is running.
I didn't expect so many people.
Weekends are always like this.
I guess everyone waits until the last minute.
Just like you.
Hey, I planned this.
Sure you did.
Look at all these machines.
They're all spinning.
It's kind of hypnotizing.
Don't get distracted. We still need machines.
Right. We need 2 large washing machines.
For the blankets and towels.
And your mountain of clothes.
Excuse me, those are important clothes.
I see one empty machine over there.
Which one?
Near the corner.
Oh, that's a top loader.
Is that bad?
Not bad, but not good for big items.
So we don't want it?
No, we need a front loader.
Why? Aren't they the same?
No, front loaders wash more gently.
Gently sounds nice.
And they fit big blankets better.
Okay, front loader it is.
Wait, look over there.
Where?
Machine number 5 and number 6.
They're open.
Yes.
Hurry before someone else takes them.
I'm running.
I'll guard the bags.
I made it.
Are they really empty?
Completely empty. No clothes inside.
Perfect timing.
Put the baskets on top to save them.
Good idea.
That way people know they're taken.
Okay, baskets on top. Done.
Mission accomplished.
These machines are huge.
Bigger than the ones at my old place.
Bigger machines mean fewer loads.
Fewer loads mean less money.
Exactly.
I like how you think. So now what?
Now we sort the clothes.
Already?
Yes, this is where the real work begins.
I thought the machines did the work.
Only if you don't ruin your clothes first.
Uh-oh.
Relax, I'll help you.
Good, because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Sorting? Can't we just throw everything in together?
Absolutely not.
Why not? It all looks dirty to me.
Laundry does not work like that.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Whites go in one machine,
And the rest?
colors go in the other.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It's less work than ruining your clothes.
You are very serious about laundry.
I have to be.
It's just clothes.
It's clean clothes. Big difference.
Why do whites need their own machine?
Because colors can bleed.
Bleed? Like blood?
No, like color leaking out.
Oh, that sounds bad.
I don't want my white shirt to turn pink.
That happened once, didn't it?
Yes.
And you were mad.
I wasn't mad.
You were angry.
I cried.
Oh,
It was my favorite shirt.
okay. Lesson learned. Fine, I'll help.
Good. Start with the jeans.
All jeans go here?
Yes, jeans are dark clothes.
Even light blue ones?
Yes, still dark.
Okay. Jeans in this pile.
Dark clothes on the left.
Light colors on the right.
Exactly.
This is like a puzzle.
A laundry puzzle.
What about socks?
Socks go with colors.
Even white socks?
White socks go with whites.
Why are socks so complicated?
Laundry has many rules.
I'm learning so much today.
Okay, socks here, shirts there.
Fold nothing yet, just sort.
Got it.
Are you sure you put everything in the right pile?
Pretty sure.
Pretty sure is not sure.
Okay, I'll double check.
Wait, check your pockets.
Again? I already checked at home.
Always check again.
You don't trust me, do you?
I trust history.
What does that mean?
It means you always forget things.
I do not.
You leave tissues, receipts, coins,
That's normal.
not in a washing machine.
Fine, checking pockets now.
Every pocket, front and back.
This takes time.
Better slow than sorry.
Oh, wait,
What did you find?
a tissue.
See?
Okay, you were right.
I know.
That would have exploded in the wash.
And covered everything in white paper.
That sounds terrible.
It is terrible. Anything else?
Check again.
There's a receipt.
Take it out.
And a coin.
Coins are bad for machines.
Okay, pockets are empty now.
Are you sure?
Yes, completely empty.
Good. Now look at the piles.
White's here.
Colors there.
Jeans separate.
Perfect.
I think I did a good job.
You did.
Really?
Yes. Good job.
Thank you. I feel proud. So, everything is sorted now.
Yes.
Nothing else to do?
For now, no.
Great. What's next?
Now we need money.
Of course we do.
Laundry always needs money.
This is getting expensive.
Welcome to adult life.
How much does one wash cost?
Let me read the sign.
It says $3.50 per load.
So 2 machines means $7.
Correct.
I only have a $10 bill.
That's fine. Use the change machine.
Over there on the wall?
Yes.
Be right back.
Get quarters, not tokens.
Okay, inserting the bill.
Did it work?
No, it spit it out.
Try again slowly.
Still no.
Is the bill wrinkled?
A little. The corner is folded.
Smooth it out.
Like this?
Yes. Now flip it.
Face up or face down?
Face up.
Okay. Come on. It's going through!
Yes!
Listen to that sound.
That's the sound of quarters.
Wow, that's heavy.
Don't drop them.
I feel rich.
It's still just laundry money.